So this is an experiment number 7A to determine the focal length of concave mirror by using two pins. So which is called a UV method. The first method to find out the focal length of convex lens, the same method is generally used for mirror. Actually, these mirrors are based on the principle of reflection and the lenses are based on refraction. So first of all, try to find out the roughly focal length of this mirror also. How to find out the roughly focal length? Just come here, keep this at 100 and use one page like this, and you just move like this, come to this place. Try to get the accurate image of the window. So here I am getting an accurate image, correct? So this is at 100 and this is at 85. At 85. So I got the roughly focal length is 15 centimeter. How much? 15 centimeter. Then arrange an object O mirror M and I object as shown. No parallax will form. See, here object is back side, correct? And image is at this side. So here this is image, and you have to keep an object at beyond image or beyond C, you can say, correct? Then try to find out this one. So I am keeping an object at 0. See, I am keeping an object at 0, and I have to keep this at 50 or 40 also. See, F is the roughly focal length is 15, so C is at 30, so more than 30 is 35, 31, whatever. So I am keeping this at 50. I am keeping at this at 50. Depend on you where you want to keep the lens mirror. Sorry. Correct. So now I'm keeping this at 40. Okay, I'm keeping this mirror as 40. So for roughly focal length is 15 to 15 to 30 to more than 30 is 40. I'm keeping this at 40 and try to see this one image of this is an object. So we need to remove the parallax by this one. So first of all, adjust this one. See, I remove the parallax. A little bit take time, but see this one. See, this is an object. This one object. This is the image. See this one. So as I removing this one, you see this second one, and the image, both are moving together. So now when you will adjust this one, find this one as U, from this side to this side as U, from this side to this side U, and this is what V. So put the value of U and V and you will get F. So when you will get F, so after that average value means 1 decimal places. When you will get 1 decimal place 3 reading and add all 3, then divide by 3, you will get average value of focal length. And adjust and match with your roughly focal length also, you will get the exact answer.